Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm so happy. Like today is Friday, Saturday. Saturday. We are floating about $206 on our challenge. So our challenge, it's remaining with 1% like profit target, so we can complete the challenge. Yeah, that is about $50. Yeah, I have a trade that I'm holding right now until Monday. Let me break it down, and so you can understand why. Like I took that trade, the reason. Yeah, you remember the last week I told you like I'm not gonna trade again because the market was shitty, no structures. Yeah, so this week I managed to get a trade on gold. Yeah, because like on our last losses we were getting about 3 losses back to back in a row. Yeah, so I went back and like fix my psychology. Yeah, and I'm back, guys. Let me show you the trade that I'm holding right now so you can understand why I took the trade, the reason, the entry model, the pattern. Yeah,
Guys,
stay tuned.
this is that trade that I'm talking about. This one. I've been holding this trade on Monday. Yeah, I entered on Monday here, right here. It was about 5 p.m. Yeah, let me break it down so you can understand why I took the trade. Yeah, and we are in some profit right now. I think it was 6. That is about 4%. Yeah, let me remove everything so you can understand. Yeah, why I took the trade. Yeah, I only start from daily. This is daily. We see this is our resistance turn into a support right here, support, and this is our resistance up here. Let's drop into the 4 hour. 4 hour look like this. This was on Monday. Will be taking us by there. Let's go into the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, he came back and saw this market tap into our support zone, rejected. Okay, rejected. So on Friday, the market was here. I marked this point and saw this pattern. I saw this pattern. This is a head and shoulder. This is shoulder, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Then boom. Can you see, guys? Yeah, that is a head and shoulder pattern. So I went to and marked this point. Market broke. This is a head and shoulder, as I told you. We broke up, came for a retest here in a shoulder. I entered here, right here. I entered right here. Stop loss was in this shoulder here. Targeting, I was targeting, I think, in the 4% here. I was targeting this zone here, TP2, TP1. Okay, in the 1 hour, I hold this trade because last week I was getting losses, drill losses, hitting my stop loss and going back. So this was my trade, but I didn't close. This is the trade. I took it from here. I took that trade from here. Head, this is shoulder, head, shoulder, break, retest of the shoulder, then entered here. And we are flying. Okay, now let me show you the trade. It's still floating in some profit right now. Yeah, this is what the trade. I'm not like praying here and telling you like this is the shoulder, head, shoulder, break, retest. This is our entry, stop loss here. I was risking about $100. That is $100 to make at least $300. Yeah, and the trade is continuing, but we are in holiday. We are floating about 2 to 6 on the challenge. Yeah, let me show you another thing. Yeah, and this is the trade. Currently, what I'm seeing is we are rejecting on this. support here, this support. I think we're gonna pump from here going upside to the buys. We are in uptrend right now. Yeah, okay. In another, like, something like this forex come with the experience of like just seeing market, you know. Here, like in this process where I was taking my buys, I saw something like a demand. Let me delete everything so I can explain to you what I saw. Delete. Okay, let's say this is up. Remember, this is my entry right here. This was my entry right here. Okay, this is a break of structure from here. This is a break of structure. Break of structure. Okay, that's a break of structure. Then we have something like this. This is our demand. This is our demand. Some people could be entering right here. Stop loss here. Targeting. Swing high. You see, the strategy makes sense in everything. Like everybody is right, but this is not my trading strategy. You see. Hi, another confluence that I had taking that trade. I had a pattern. This is a left shoulder head, and now a right shoulder. Right shoulder happened for a retest, went back. Okay. Okay, I'm doing this for you to understand like every strategy work. Yeah, let me explain what I'm expecting on the market open, like on Monday 2 a.m. I'll be right to see because I'm holding that trade. Let me start from 4 hours. Okay, in 4 hours, not 4 hours, let's start from daily. This is daily. Yeah, this is our support. This is our support, a resistance. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hour looks like this. I'm seeing something like, guys, this is the head and shoulder from here. Definitely. Nice. This, if you have experience in the market, you understand what I'm seeing here. This is what am I doing? Okay. This is the shoulder, head, right shoulder. We are seeing something like this. It doesn't mean like it has to be perfect. You have to like see these things. Yeah. Let's go into the, you know, we are looking for buys right now. Let's go into the 1 hour. 1 hour looks like this. So I'm seeing like this is a double bottom. This is our double bottom. This is double bottom. Double bottom. Retest. Then I'm waiting for it to pump. Okay. Let's go into the maybe 15 minutes. We see if we can get the entry. This is can be this is our resistance. This is our resistance from here. Yeah. Let's go into the 5 minutes so we can see if we break structure. I'm waiting for market to break the structure from here. Close with a candle upside. Then you can draw something like this. Something like this. Okay. If we break that structure, I'll be looking for buys. Still I'm holding that trade. That trade that I'm telling you. My stop loss will be here. And targeting about 1:3. 1:3. Yeah. And that's what I'm expecting on gold before the market opens. Yeah, stay tuned for another video of part 2 of this challenge. But I'm holding a trade right now from here. I'm holding that trade on this point. on this point. My stop loss is about here on this shoulder. Targeting. I'm leaving this account. Take this. I want to take my profit right there. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting on gold. Yeah, so my take profit. Let's go into the 15 minutes. Yeah, I'm expecting something like that to happen. Stay tuned.
And that is the trade that I'm talking about. Okay, let's hold it until Monday. We see what will happen. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. And yeah, what else? Subscribe, share, comment. We are just trying to build something like skill. Yeah, stay tuned. Peace out.